Welcome to the Actions and Strategies part of the Adaptive Management Plan for Sherman Branch Nature Preserve, North Carolina. I'm Matthew Powell. Our overall topic today is maximizing nature preserve land for mountain biking and minimizing the resulting footprint. Our official vision statement is to strike a balance between maintaining and advancing mountain bike trails and riding opportunities and maintaining and protecting the local ecosystem from detrimental effects of cycling. Before discussing success criteria, I want to highlight the importance of the measuring of our success being by the managers of this nature preserve, and specifically not bureaucrats in City Hall who may be several layers removed from the day-to-day management of this land. As Dunning states in her paper Missing the Trees for the Forest, it is crucial that success criteria and management decisions be based on the perceptions of the individuals doing the day-to-day interventions. The opposite strategy typically results in ineffective decision-making. While it may appear to be a subjective system, these are the people who can best measure the health of our preserve. Having said that, the success criteria for the management of Sherman Branch Nature Preserve are no visible erosion or trail widening, no invasive plant species found within close proximity of the trail, a healthy American woodcock population, minimizing littering along the single track, minimized fire-inducing undergrowth, and a high degree of visitor satisfaction, which can be measured through trailhead surveys of riders exiting the park. Our original management plan takes a more laissez-faire approach to rider count and admittance in an attempt to maximize responsible usage. We wish to maintain a balanced recreational carrying capacity, minimize erosion through actively building water bars, berms, retaining walls, rock gardens, and bridges, and also no riding within 24 hours of rain. Minimize damage to vegetation through promoting sticking to single-track routes and preventing forest fires through controlled burns, and minimizing the effect on local wildlife populations by preventing off-trail excursions and the disturbance of nesting birds and earthworm-dense soil. A cornerstone of this plan is the promotion of riders following the code of conduct seen below. We would reach out to local bike clubs and post these rules at trailheads. Our alternative management plan includes all of the initiatives seen in the original one, but adds the important distinction of instituting a pass for trail usage system. This type of system has been successfully implemented in several nature preserves, and along with allowing managers to limit the number of riders if necessary, it has the added benefit of raising additional funds for the park, which would go to further maintenance of trails, trash and fallen tree removal, and the actual enforcement of riders having to obtain a pass at the trailhead. These are my references, and I really appreciate you taking the time to learn more about our management alternatives here at Sherman Branch. Thank you.